let me in from this pain. Don't leave me out in the rain. Come back and bring back this hand. I don't even know the words. Oh, break my heart. Say you love me again. Unto this heart comes when you walk out the door and walked out of my life. I cried these tears. I cried so many nights. Oh, break my heart. Oh, I'm done.
Just really wanna fuck with a Pisces. Bad bitch, long hair with some nice teeth. Fly shit only, kinda like me. Me and you, we can do this every night, see. I just really wanna kick it with a Pisces. Lay back, get lifted with a Pisces. Okay.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to thank everyone that subscribed to my channel or watched my channel, share, like, and everything. I really appreciate it. We finally hit that 1K. So now we're about to go on this road to monetization, hopefully. And also, anyone who's watching for the very first time, you know what to do. Click that notification bell right here so you can know when I'm providing more content. So today I'm gonna do a quick wig review, and I don't really wear short hair like that, but I'm trying to, you know, be different, switched up. Like, I don't know, lately I just been on some shit, like, I just be wanting to switch up. I'm back to my normal old self, thank God. I used to, like, love to switch up my hair, like, every 2 days. There was a period in time I wasn't doing that shit no more. So now I'm back at it. The only thing I have to fix is, like, this little ear thing. Should I cut it? I'm scared if I cut it, I'm gonna mess it up, because I'm not really a cutter. You know what? I'm gonna leave it alone. But this right here is giving me Toni Braxton vibes or whatnot. It's like one of them hairs you gotta play with. Yes, Miss Toni. Why is this side like this? Like, okay, that's much better. Okay, it's much better. I just, you know, do the little. But anyway, this hair is giving me Toni Braxton vibes. I forgot how much I paid for the hair, but you know, I'm gonna leave that in the description, but it was very inexpensive. So the wig that I got today is from FREETRESS Equal, the luxury integration wig. This is the little tag it comes with, and it's called Oria or Oria, however you pronounce it. I just got it in a regular 1B. And this wig does not have any combs in it. It does have 2 adjustable straps, but it doesn't have any combs. So far, I like it. I'm feeling it. It's giving me like Toni Braxton vibes, you know. Ooh, I like this shirt. I got this shirt from Pretty Little Thing. I kind of makes my little boobies look. Yeah, I should have put that on too. But I was trying. What's that dumb shit at? I was trying to use one of these. I got this from Shein, but this was not working. It kept falling. I was getting aggravated. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to put on a regular bra and just do a little, you know, the little tricks that we do. And the earrings. Ooh, yes, B. And, okay. But yeah, I'm really am feeling this wig or whatever. This is like a nice quick style. You just want to go somewhere real quick, you just throw it on. You don't gotta do too much styling. You just basically gotta play with it. Like, you don't even need a comb. Just play with it a little bit to your liking, and you're out the door. Ooh. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna show you guys a little specs. It's not gonna take that long because this is a real short wig and it's just like quick. You just put it on. So I'm gonna be right back. Ooh. Here we go, Toni Braxton voiceover. Nah, I ain't doing that. But yeah, that bra, y'all, has been getting on my nerves on this whole video. But this is the wig. This is what it looks like before I do anything to it. I didn't do much to it, but like I said, it only comes with adjustable straps. It doesn't have any comb in it. I wish it had a comb in the back, but it's not a big deal. So you pretty much play with this hair. You could comb it any type of way. Use your fingers, make it messy, you know, make it funky, edgy, punky, ooh. But yeah, I used that flat iron. I said flat iron. I used that curling iron just to flatten the top part of my hair a little bit because I felt like the wig was kind of bulky. Y'all see what I mean? That little sticky bra is not going nowhere, so I had to take it out, and it was painful because I didn't have any nipple covers. So I just said, you know what? I'm putting my bra on. I can't take it no more.
Everything's gonna work out right, you know. Let go, baby. It's love, just let go. Oh yeah. Sometimes love gets sing Monday morning. I'm gonna pack my tears away. Got no cause to look back. I'm looking for me a better day.
So this is my final look and I'm feeling it. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Y'all know what to do. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. Also click that notification bell, like, comment. Also you guys can follow me at Also you guys can follow me on Instagram at XOXO_mochaccino. Again, thank you guys for watching and bye.